When you are downloading your forms from the IRCC website, for example, I'm going to download the undertaking form for a group of five. You click on the link here, and you may see this page open when you are trying to download or view the PDF forms that you have downloaded from the IRCC website. The reason for this is because you cannot fill in the forms from a web browser. They need to be opened by the Adobe Acrobat Reader from your computer. They cannot be opened in this web browser.
If you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer, you can just go to the Google Play Store and install it from there. Or if you're using an Apple computer or device, you can go to the Apple Store to download it from there.
To download the file, you're going to click on this button here, save it somewhere on your computer. For example, you may want to save it on your desktop and give it a name that will help you remember. I'm going to do G5 Undertaking, and I'll save it to my desktop. And you can click on it here to open it up, or click on the folder to see where it is in your desktop. And it opens and shows me that it is here. Now I have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed on my computer. When I double click, it will open in the application, which is on my computer. Now, you may have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer. It will look similar to this, and you should be able to type in the information directly from your computer. Now let's take a look at the same thing, but you are downloading from the Permanent Residence Portal. So I have the group of five PDF forms open. I'm going to click download, and I see the same thing. So whenever you see this, it tells you that it's open in a web browser. You need to download it to your computer and open it from your computer. So I'm going to save this one again as group of five undertaking. I'm going to open it on my computer. Now you see I clicked it here and it opened in my web browser again. I don't want that to happen. So instead, go to your Internet Explorer file here, click on it, and look for the file, and then double click to open. Now I can see it's open in my Adobe Acrobat Pro. It is no longer trying to open in the web browser.